Hi, my friends, it's Susanna with the March Strong Bones Challenge, push-up possibilities. So the idea here is that there are many possibilities for push-ups and you are somewhere on the spectrum from wall push-ups to full push-up from plank position. I'm in the middle, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate here, which is my own current routine that I do several times a week. Thanks to my physical therapist. This is my post-elbow routine. I am doing pretty good. So it's knee push-ups, and we will do 3 sets of 10. And let me tell you, if you haven't been doing this, it will be challenging. So don't feel you have to do all 3 sets today, but we've got a whole month. So let's do this. Come over to your mat, find all 4s. You're on your knees, and certainly you could put something underneath your knees, extra cushioning if that would make it more comfortable for you. So plant your hands down right underneath your shoulders, spread your fingers wide, just like, you know, when we do yoga. This isn't really yoga, but it's all related. So let's come to our table position. Cross at your ankles if you'd like to, and lower as far down as you are comfortable. 10 times. Take a breath and go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, don't forget to breathe, and 1. Give yourself a stretch back and take a little break. So that was set number 1. On our first wrist love exercise today, extend one arm, take your other hand and pull your fingers back and stretch. Should hold that for at least 6 or 7 seconds before doing the other side. Extend and pull back. I'm breathing, can you hear me? Good, shake that out, because now you've given your wrist counter stretches. You're going to move your fingers, your hands, and your wrists for some relief. You can even flick them out a little bit. Are you ready? Set number 2. Let me go this way this time. Okay, plant your hands down firmly. You'll want to tune into your abs, your core, gently. And then you shall lower as low as you would like for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was 10. Give yourself a stretch. Wrist love time. Okay, this time, let's take our hands and touch each fingertip to each other. And we're going to do spider push-ups. Ready? Press, 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 press. So this is hand love, finger love, wrist love, shoulder love, lots of love. Push, push, push. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push, 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 push. Good. Shake out your wrists. All right, and now you're going to make fists. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze as hard as you can. And then open and spread your fingers as wide as you can. Make fists and open. Squeeze. Hard, 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 hard. And open. Stretch, stretch, stretch. One more. Squeeze and open, and shake that out. Okay, final 10 knee push-ups. And here we go for 10, 9, 8, 7, I won't deny that it's getting harder, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Stretch out. I like to do an extended child's with tented fingers. Great. And shake out your wrists again. Last wrist love thing. And there will be many exercises over the course of the month that you can do for your wrists. And here is one that I've been doing for years. And it is to take one hand and grab the opposite wrist and then squeeze that wrist and count to 20. So it's pump, pump, pump. So you're kind of massaging the wrist that's getting squeezed, and then you're using the muscles of your hand, your wrist, and the arm to do the squeezing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're working on grip strength, which is really important too. It's all related. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. And finally, this one. Take the backs of your hands and up the center line of the body. Rotate around. Keep your hands and your wrists really together. And again, so circle around. Breathe. Good, and reverse. Come in towards yourself. Shake out. And bring prayer hands together. Namaste. Thanks for joining me in the challenge today. Let's do this several times a week, if not every day, in the month of March 2022. Thanks. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. You can subscribe to the channel. You could like this video and go below and join the Strong Bones Challenge group if you're not already in it. And we'd love to support you in your bone strengthening journey. Have a great day.